Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Apple Pay is ready in Wallet. Add or verify a card and billing address now. Once done, make sure your App Store account matches the Apple ID used in Brawl Stars so purchases sync. Open the game and go directly to the Shop section where gem bundles or offers are visible. You are initiating the purchase flow here, so select the specific bundle you want. This step moves you from preparation into the actual checkout process. You tap the gem bundle or offer and then choose Apple Pay when the payment sheet appears. This keeps things fast and secure. Next, check the billing and shipping details presented, confirm they match your wallet card. Authenticate the transaction with Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. The game will wait for that confirmation. Once authorized, the App Store processes it and returns you to Brawl Stars. This step completes the payment handshake between Apple Pay and the app. You finish by confirming the gem count updated in Brawl Stars. Check your inventory and recent purchases screen. If gems do not appear, inspect your App Store purchase history and ensure the purchase shows as completed under the same Apple ID. Once you verify the charge, make sure the game is fully restarted. Sometimes a relaunch forces inventory sync. If problems persist, sign out of the App Store and back in, and then contact Apple or Supercell support with your receipt. This resolves most lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.